Hi everyone, this is Arun Kumar Yadav. I am doing PhD from IIT Dhanbad. Today we will discuss here about a differential equation. Before knowing to differential equation, we should know some basic definitions like what are the equations, what are the dependent and independent variables. So let's talk about what are the equations and independent variables. So what are the equations? Equations are nothing but these are a mathematical statement in which two expressions are equal. Suppose we have an expression like x square minus 4x and another expression 2x minus 5. If we put both are equal, then this is called an equation. And next, what are the dependent and independent variables? Independent and dependent variables. Suppose we have a equation like y equals to be x plus 2, right? So if we put different values of x, we will get different values of y. Like if we put x equals to be 1, 2, 3, then we will get y equals to be 3 and 4 and 5, which shows that the value of x is independent. So here x is called independent variables. Okay, and because value of y is depend upon x, therefore y is called a dependent variables, right? Now coming to the point, differential equation. Differential equation. Differential equations are nothing but an equation which contains dependent variable, independent variable, and the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variables is called the differential equation, right? An equation containing independent variable, comma dependent variable, and the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. It's called a differential equation. For examples, example number 1. Suppose we have a equation like that: dy by dx plus y equal to e to the power x. This is equal to a differential equation because it has a dependent variable, independent variable, and its derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. You can write another examples like, suppose we have another example: d2y by dx2 plus 2 into dy by dx plus y equal to x square plus 5. This is also a differential equation. Next, we will talk about type of a differential equation. There are two types of differential equation. First one is a ordinary differential equation and second one is a partial differential equation. For the case of ordinary differential equation, a equation which contains derivative of dependent variable with respect to one independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. And for the second case, partial differential equation which contains the derivative of dependent variable with respect to more than one independent variables are called partial differential equation. So now let's write types of differential equation. First one is ordinary differential equation, and second one a partial differential equation. For ordinary differential equation, as I told you, derivative with respect to only one independent variable, only one independent variable. And for the case of partial differential equation, derivative with respect to more than one independent variable, more than one independent variable. These are the types of differential equation. Now we will go for order and degree of a differential equation. Order and degree of a differential equation. Now first, order of differential equation. Order of differential equation. The order of differential equation is the order of highest order derivative occurring in the order of differential equation is the order of highest order derivative occur in the equation. Not degree of differential equation. Degree of a differential equation. The degree of differential equation is the power of highest order derivative occur in it while it free from radicals and fractions. The degree of a differential equation is the power of highest order derivative occur in it while it free from fractions and radicals. Now we will see some examples. Example number 1. Suppose a equation d3y by dx3 plus 4 dy by dx whole square plus y equal to 0. We can easily see that in this equation the highest order derivative of this differential equation is 3. Therefore order of this differential equation will be 3. Now for the degree of this differential equation, since the highest order derivative is here 3 and its power is just 1, so degree of this differential equation will be 1. Degree of this differential equation will be 1. Let's see some another example. Rho equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power 3 by 2 divided by d2y by dx2. As we can see that here easily, since it's a power of derivative in form of fractions, so we need to simplify it, right? So let's simplify. This will equal to rho d2y by dx2 equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power 3 by 2, right? So after squaring on both sides, we will remove easily this fraction, right? So power of the fraction. So what will be the equation? Equation will be rho square d2y by dx2 whole square 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power 3. Now what is the order and degree? Order and degree of this differential equation. Since in this equation the highest order derivative is 2, therefore order of this differential equation will be 2. And now for degree, degree of the highest order derivative is here also 2, so the degree of the differential equation will be 2. So these are the examples of order and degree of a differential equation.